Hey Passmat, so I'm back home for a week and pretty much immediately my family have decided to go kayaking, which seems to be quite a staple now. My mum's like really into it, which is really strange. My dad keeps buying all these kayaks off eBay for like super cheap, and it's kind of cool but also kind of ridiculous. Like, we have like 5 now, it's silly, there's one for every family member. It's... what are you doing? Still, I guess we get to go kayaking, that's really cool. Like, not many families I feel get to go kayaking, so I'm quite lucky in that regard. How you doing, Hannah? It's like it's gliding over ice cream. It's really smooth. You okay? You doing great? You look dashing, excellent, like a true explorer of the wilds. Look at her go.
Oh no, I'm so sorry.
Hey.